Okay, so if you're running your own business, what if I told you there was a way to speed up your growth and get hours of your week back at the same time? That's exactly what we're digging into today with the Entrepreneur's Digital Toolkit. These are the secret weapons that top founders are using, and we're about to show you how you can use them too. Now, this isn't just hype. It's about solving that problem every single entrepreneur faces, the constant battle between having enough time and actually growing the business. The tools we're going to talk about, they're designed to completely break that cycle. They create this amazing loop where being more efficient actually fuels your growth. It's the ultimate win-win. So the big question is, how do these tools really pull that off? Well, it all starts by tackling one of the biggest headaches for any business, the creative stuff. First up, let's talk about content and design power-ups. We're talking about how you can go from staring at a blank page to having incredible professional-looking visuals in just a few minutes. This is a huge time saver. You know the feeling, right? We have all been there. You need to write a social media post or a quick email and your mind just goes blank. Or you need a really sharp graphic for an ad, but you don't have the budget to hire a designer. That kind of stuff can totally kill your momentum. And here are the game changers. Got writer's block? ChatGPT will literally write that social media copy for you in seconds. No designer on staff? No problem. Canva lets anyone create amazing graphics with just drag and drop. And if you need something totally unique that makes people stop scrolling, Midjourney can generate these mind-blowing AI images. The big idea here is you don't need a huge team or a massive budget anymore. These tools put all that creative power right in your hands. Okay, next up, let's get your business management sorted. This is all about going from that feeling of daily chaos to being organized and in control. And let's be real, this is a problem for pretty much everyone. When you're trying to handle sales, marketing, operations, everything, it is just so easy for important things to get missed. And that disorganized feeling, it's not just stressful, it's quietly holding your business back. The fix is to build a central command center for your entire business. And for that, tools like Notion and Trello are absolute lifesavers. Think of Notion as your company's digital brain. It holds all your tasks, projects, and notes. Trello is more of a visual way to see who's doing what at a glance. But they both have the same mission, to create a system where absolutely nothing slips through the cracks. And the payoff is instant. I mean, this isn't just about feeling more organized. You will tangibly get hours of your time back every single week. That's time you can finally put towards thinking about the big picture instead of just fighting fires all day. All right, now for what I like to call the engine room of any business, sales and customer engagement. This next set of tools is all about making more money without adding more stress. This is a pain point that hits really hard once you start getting some success. The leads start coming in, but you're just too swamped to follow up with every single person right away. And every single missed follow-up, that's a potential sale just gone. This is where a CRM, or customer relationship management system, becomes your absolute best friend. Platforms like HubSpot and Zoho are built for exactly this. They keep track of every single lead and can even send follow-up emails for you automatically. That means you're building relationships with customers 24/7 without even lifting a finger. Okay, our final toolkit is maybe the most powerful one of all. We're talking about data-driven insights. This is how you make that crucial switch from guessing what's working to knowing what's working. And this right here, this is everything. It's the difference between saying, I think this ad is doing okay, and saying, the data shows this ad brought in 20% more sales. That kind of certainty is exactly what separates the businesses that get stuck from the ones that just take off. So where do you get this clarity? From tools like Google Analytics and Hootsuite. Google Analytics tells you exactly what people do on your website. Hootsuite does the same thing, but for your social media. When you put them together, they give you a clear roadmap. You see what's working so you can do more of it, and you see what's not, so you can stop wasting your time and money. So I know we've covered a ton of really cool tools, and it might seem like a lot, but getting started is actually super simple. Just follow these 3 steps. First, just think about your single biggest frustration right now. Is it creating content? Is it managing projects? Then just pick one tool from our list that tackles that problem. And finally, this is the most important part, just commit to using it for 1 week. That's it. See what happens. At the end of the day, all of this is about making your business run better and grow faster. And you have the power to start making these changes right now. So the only real question left is, which one of these tools are you going to try first?